8 sacks here this afternoon. A far cry from the difficulties they've had through the 1-4 start. Devon Reed. Big hit on the return. Delivered by Hosley. It might be Terrell Williams there, the starting linebacker, got his bell rung.
Whenever you see something flying out of the helmet area, as you see on the screen, whether it's the mouthpiece, the earpiece, those are the big painful hits when you lose something out of your face mask or your helmet when you get hit.
Tom Luganville.
Guys.